let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, and my neighbor Phil. You know who you are, buddy. I have something very special today. I've got a box from England. I've been waiting since the first week of September for this particular item. I'm going to unbox it right here and now for you. This is something that I special ordered for myself that I have been wanting for many, many years. This is a replica prop model kit. This is from sci-fi-models.com. It's a resin model kit. This is an instruction sheet. I'm not gonna get into that right now. We have genuine British shredded paper filler. Hooray! And inside the box, inside the paper, wrapped in bubble wrap. There's nothing else in the box. Okay, just want to make sure. I'm all excited. Get rid of that. Alright. I don't know about any of you, but I am a longtime FARSCAPE fan. And I ordered myself a resin cast pulse pistol replica prop. This is the pistol. It does need a lot of finishing work, which was to be expected. It needs finished, it needs painted. Might have to put a trigger button in. Well, that's pretty rough. This is the only thing that I find disappointing in it. This is supposed to be the laser sight that goes on the side of it. It is a terrible, terrible, terrible casting. It doesn't feel right. It was smashed and bent in the mold. It did not hold any of its detail. I hope this is showing up. I can't tell from my little screen. That's terrible. I don't even know what the hell that's supposed to be. At first I thought it was a chalk and oil clip, but no, it's not a very good casting either. If you look, it's just wavy as hell, bent out of shape. It's not a very good casting. The pistol, got no complaints about. Sorry, it's a little washed out. Sorry, get it here where you can see it without my fat fingers in the way. Like I said, it's going to need some sanding, filling, finishing, but for the most part I've got nothing to complain about on that. It's just the laser, but you can buy the little laser pointers that fit in very well instead. So there we've got our FARSCAPE Pulse Pistol. Blow some of the dust out of it. Yeah, I'm happy with it. Well, there it is. I've been waiting since the series came out to get my own version of Winona, and I've got one now. Thank you very much for watching. I'll keep you updated on how it comes out as I do it. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.